So how do you record ChatGPT voice conversation on an iPad using the screen recording? Well, if you really need that, I'm going to explain it to you, but it's not that simple. So you would probably try the screen recording method. Obviously, you can also turn on the microphone while the screen recording, but it doesn't really matter as this cannot really be captured through this software. There are some alternatives. Of course, you can use another device, like if you have an iPhone, you can capture it with the voice memos right there. I know it's not ideal, but I guess it could technically work. But if you want to be professional and capture the internal audio, you will need to use some sort of accessory, right? So you are going to need to use a capture card, which comes with a bundle software. So there are some brands which you can go for. For example, there is the one called Elgato, right? If I'm pronouncing it correctly. And it isn't like a device which you can connect to your iPad. And using this, you can basically just use the AirPlay and like stream it to that device in a sense, right? So you can just share the audio right there to that device, and that can capture it, right? So you can explore that option. Obviously, there are some other brands as well. Like there is one called Avermedia, if I'm pronouncing that correctly as well. So yeah, it is a bit more complicated. So if you quickly just want to do that, I would recommend you to just use another device to capture it. But if you want to be professional, then you will be required to get this kind of device to connect to your iPad. So I know you probably wanted to hear that you can do some trick and record it through the built-in software screen recorder, but it just doesn't work that way. So let me know what you think below. Let me know if you would actually invest some money to do that, right? So I'm kind of curious to know about that. Thanks a lot for watching. I really appreciate your support, and I'll catch you later in the future in tutorials.